up, ladies and gents? Welcome back. It's a little beautiful day out here as usual, and I've been doing a little bit of playing. I'll show you. Oh boy. So yeah, like I was saying, I've been doing a little bit of playing. I just had to see what it was going to look like, you know. It's not quite ready for the body work yet, but we're getting there, and that blue's going to look amazing. Speaking of blue, I haven't had old blue out since Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna just go stretch the legs on her. Oh, just a beautiful glorious freak day for a drive in the mountains, I tell ya. For my locals, the Boulder Creek, Brookdale Lodge is open now. This place is pretty rad. I stopped in a few weeks back. They don't have the dining room open yet, but the bar's open and the hotel's open. Can't wait till the dining room is open. There's a creek that runs through the middle. It's gonna be pretty awesome. And it's like 150 years old. Freewheeling!
Look at what you're doing!
No way!
Oh my god, you're going so fast.
Super safe. Safety third. Alright, so we're back, and it's actually tomorrow, and it's raining. Awesome. But yeah, continuing on with what we got going on with the Bultaco. I took a minute, made a little list. This is all the stuff we still need to buy, and this is what we need to do. I'm going to start ordering this stuff tonight. I measured out the shocks. That was like one of the big things that we need to get. All this other stuff is just small little stuff. I thought I had ordered some of it before, but I guess I didn't. We need new rubber for the airbox, and we're going to paint this bad boy, stick it in there. A couple other little odds and ends, but we're getting there. Alright guys, so like I said, you know, we're getting there. It's Christmas Eve. I hope everyone has a awesome holiday and gets to spend time with their family and whatnot, because that's what's really important. And motorcycles, those are really important too. But yeah, we'll be getting back on it in the next day or two, and let's wrap this Bultaco up because we have a lot of other projects to get to. As always, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.